Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna redraw this drawing. Before I already draw and I upload YouTube, but I'm gonna make the easy way. Okay, let's do it now. Still with me, Mr. Mulyadi from Indonesia. Let's draw this picture easy tutorial. Yeah, I want to make it easy. First, you draw two lines, and then you choose for the face. Okay, and then mark it the chin. If you draw with pencil, it's gonna be so easy. Look, and join it. Okay, now let's draw the hat. Okay, like this only. And then okay. Now let's draw the hair. I think the hat is too big, yeah, but it's no problem. Okay. Okay, here the upper. Okay. Now I want to show you how to draw the eyes now. The eyebrow first. Balance up, left and right. And then this is the eyes only like this. The curve up and curve down like this. Okay. And draw the ball eyes here. And also don't forget to give the eyelash. Yes, eyelash. Okay. Highlight, I mean. And then eyebrow. Okay, if you want this video, I already upload. Okay, actually this is my old drawing. I want to redraw with an easy way so the children can follow, not only teenager. Look, and the V only. See, look. Okay, and then this is okay, the mouth. And then I want to make it easier. I'm gonna close the mouth like this, and then the lip, and join it. If you want to make the height level, you can check this channel. So many height level. Oh yeah, this is not balanced, right? You can do some correction here. Okay, I think that is done already. I hope you can follow the easy tutorial. Okay, don't forget to support my channel by subscribe, like, and share. I'm Musta Mulyadi from Indonesia. Bye bye.